Hello and welcome back to See Natural DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this natural leave-in conditioner hairspray. The ingredient I'm going to be using is aloe vera juice, glycerin, castor oil, emulsifying wax, shea butter, and essential oils. To get started, I'm going to add my emulsifying wax and castor oil, shea butter in a glass bowl. And after that, in a separate bowl, I'm adding my aloe vera juice and my glycerin. After which I'm using a double boiler method. I'm going to put both in a hot water and allow my oils to melt. And after which I'll combine together. And with my hand blender, I'm going to blend to mix both the oils and water together, as I'm doing at this point. And for the measurement I use for this tutorial, I use 86 grams of aloe vera juice. You can use flower water for this tutorial and or distilled water. I use glycerin 2 grams and shea butter. I use 5 grams of shea butter. My emulsifying wax I use 2 grams and my castor oil I use 5 grams. And in the cool down phase, I added my peppermint essential oil because of the tingling sensation. If you've been watching my videos, I added 5 drops of peppermint oil and 5 drops of tea tree oil. After mixing everything together, I'm going to pour it in my container. And here is our hairspray, our leave-in conditioner hairspray. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share my videos and like them. Use the comment section. I would love to read your comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video. Bye.